Right, this is Sean's 360 FM, friend of mine, GI7 ULG, and he sent this down to me for the treatment. A little bit rough and ready. Chrome not terrible bad. It'll polish up, but it'll still have marks in it. Power socket toast, so I have to open it up before I can power it up and find out what all this creamy goodness on the back does. I would imagine Roger Beep and 10k jump. Some lads put them on the back, I don't know why. And variable power. So what we'll do now is we'll blow it apart and get it powered up and see what we got. Right, so we have it powered up. We're on mid-band on channel 19, and yeah, indeed variable power on the back. I have it turned down there to about 3 watts at the moment, but it does work. It'll crank all the way up to 10 watts on AM and FM, but that's just a little too much on the regulator. What we have found out is that this here is, let's see, turn it off. Right, so 184, she lit off frequency. But that's nothing that can't be easily fixed. So the channel 9 switch, if you flip that up, that brings us up 10 kcs. Tone is the tone for now. And then on the back, one switch gives us channels, which brings us down, I don't know. Right, so we flip it down, that brings us down to 26513. What's the lowest she'll go? Right, channel 1, 26485. Let's just flip that up again and see what that gives us. See that now? She's deaf down there. 26515. 26955. Yeah, I'd recommend pulling that out there, Sean, because as you can hear, hang on now, receive drops off when you go down there. I don't believe in this thing of, and like the way it's done, you know, we're just pulling 2 pins high and low. Yeah, I wouldn't be a fan of that now, to be honest, Sean. So there you go. Meter lights out. Meter does work. 1 2 1 2, and I tell you, she puts out nice power on sideband, this one. She's the full of the pipe, as the fella says. So face is coming away from the bezel as normal on these. Let's just see, is our slider working? It would be if I put it on AM, I guess. 961 955, and we should have 950. Near enough. So we got sliders working, all modes. FM, yeah, AM. Have we any swing? 1 2. We have upper sideband and lower sideband. That's a replacement meter. That's not a genuine Cobra meter. You can hear it pegging off the stop. That's one of those cheap imitation workman meters. So what we'll do, Sean, I think we'll get rid of all this and just put it standard, low, mid and high, tune it to perfection. We'll leave the 10k jump. We'll put the Roger Beep on the tone switch and tie the tone high inside. Leave the noise blanker as is and leave this as is. Custom decal. Your note here, you said, let's see, light Irish custom meters you use and bright LEDs and faceplate decal. So I'll send you a message now and ask you about this. Do you want to change the colour of the channel display, or do you just want to meter the LED in the meter with the white insert, or do we want backlit switches as well? So there you go. We'll get you in a bit. Right, we're back on Sean's 148 here. So what we're gonna do is start out. We'll do the power socket, put these switches around the front here, I think. Change the display, do the meter insert, clean everything, and put her back together. Obviously after I tune it and whatnot. So we'll be back. Right, so we're back on Sean's 148 here, and as you can see, a lot of the cosmetic stuff is done. Pure green channel display, pure green backlit switches, white meter insert, pure green on receive, red on transmit, and yeah, clarifiers denotched. This here it's the tone at the moment still. What we're going to do is we're going to tie it high inside, and we're going to wire the beep into that, and we'll undo some of that nastiness there, like look, insulating tape, and there's a joint on it there somewhere. it's not even taped up, so yeah, we'll be back. Okay, we're back at it here again on Sean's 360 that we've rebadged to a 148. All our cosmetics are done, knobs are cleaned, lines are done in green, and we have just finished the tuning procedure. We also did the lazy S meter correction as well, so the meter reads properly now. See, it's registering a signal of about S3 there, so before the modification it won't do that. So just get the lids sorted out now with the secret sauce and put her back together. Okay, Sean, there you are. She's all finished now. And it's actually streaming live on YouTube at the moment. I just text you to let you know. Secret sauce on the cases. And came out very nice. I just filled up the 2 holes there with a couple of bolts. And I cleaned up the back panel. All in all now, very nice radio. Came out very, very well, so I hope you're happy with it. And thanks very much for sending it down. Enjoyed working on it. So just the painful part left now, so give me a shout when you're ready. And make sure you have a chair fairly close. 73, get you in the next one, guys.